Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how python leather is transformed into $10,000 luxury.
Than full. Before luxury shoes are made, the process begins here, at specialized python farms, where these powerful
Experts carefully monitor each python to ensure proper growth, health, and scale quality.
Advanced farming technology maintains the perfect environment for these reptiles before their skins enter the luxury leather production process. Production begins with premium snake leather python skins. Workers inspect each piece carefully to select only the best snake leather for luxury shoes.
Next, the snake leather is washed and stretched. This step protects the natural scale pattern and prepares the leather for processing.
Machines now prepare the snake leather with controlled heat and moisture, keeping every python skin strong and ready for the next stage. Now the snake leather enters the tanning drums. This process softens the python skin and preserves the natural snake leather scales.
Experts monitor the snake leather process carefully. Perfect temperature and chemical balance keep the python leather strong and flexible.
After tanning, the snake leather moves forward through the factory, ready for shaping and transformation. The snake leather is pressed and smoothed, highlighting each python scale for perfect luxury shoes.
Robots cut the snake leather carefully, shaping each piece for flawless shoe assembly. Every cut piece of snake leather reveals the unique pattern of the python scales.
Snake leather pieces are now assembled into luxury shoes with exact precision. The stitching machines join the snake leather perfectly, ensuring strength and elegance. Finally, the snake leather shoes are polished and packed for delivery worldwide.
Every snake leather shoe is inspected carefully before leaving the factory.
Snake leather shoes are carefully loaded for delivery to stores and clients.
The factory glows as the day ends, ready for the next batch of snake leather shoes.
And that's how snake leather is turned into $10,000 luxury shoes from start to finish.
This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.